Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Lexus, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on my Lexus here today. I'm installing the dash cam. The one I bought is the Redtiger here. This is the part number. Now for the parts here, you can see the dash cam here, the windshield mount right here. This is for the instructions how to install it, and a couple sticker mount. And then inside here there's gonna be wires, and the one for the rear camera, and a couple more mounting tools. This one's for the plastic trim. Before I start installing the dash cam here, I put in the cigarette lighter, the one with the cord that connects to the dash cam. I wanted to check if the cigarette lighter is putting out 12 volt. So right now it's not putting out 12 volt because you can see there's no light. I'm gonna try to key on too. I'm gonna key on. There you go. There's no light at all, you can see. And that tells me the cigarette lighter is not working right now. So the first thing first, I'm gonna check the fuse. The cigarette lighter fuse is gonna be located on this side, the passenger side, under the cover here. There's another fuse box on that side too, which is on the left side. This one's on the right side of the passenger. So if you look down, there is a cover that says fuse box. And the fuse I'm looking for is the power outlet and the cigarette lighter right there, these two right here. So I'm gonna check them both. Show you this with key on. So I'm gonna key on. There you go. And I'm gonna use my voltmeter here to touch the cigarette lighter. There's power on one side, and there's ground on the other side. You guys see that? That means the fuse is blown. Power on one side, that's power, 12 volt power. On the other side, it's giving me nothing. That means the fuse blow. Checking the power outlet, 12 volt on one side, 12 volt on the other side. Okay. I'm gonna take out my cigarette lighter fuse. There you go. This one's the cigarette lighter. And I'm gonna show you, this one is blown. You can see the middle, it's not connected, it's blown. I have my new fuse here. I'm gonna show you the middle right here. You can see that V right there, that groove. It's connected. That's my new fuse. This is my old fuse. See, it's blown. Now I'm gonna put in my 15. Just like that. Check it with my power probe again for power. And it should showing me 12 volt. Let me touch it all the way in. There you go. 12 volt. Touch the other side. 12 volt. There you go, guys. And you can see on the cigarette lighter right here, where for the dash cam is, it's a light on right now. And my dash cam is on. There you go. So this is the first step. I'm checking for the power outlet. Make sure it's giving me 12 volt. There's another one in here. This one's also working now. So now I'm gonna start installing my dash cam. For the cord with the cigarette lighter, I just run it through here, all the way out here to here, up to here, all the way, and then it's out to here. So this is where I'm gonna be connected to my dash cam right here. The one for the rear cam, this is mounted on the rear windshield, and this end will go into here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it from here all the way. You can run either side, the passenger side or the driver side. I'm gonna run it through here, in here, run it all the way to my outer piece of the ceiling right here. I'm gonna wedge it in here and then run it inside here, run it all the way to the back of the rear windshield. The wire, you guys can see how I run it. Just shove the wire in like that, keep going, keep shoving it in. For the rear dash cam, I wired it all the way back to the rear windshield already. I have not mounted on the windshield yet, but I'm gonna show you. So right now I have the key on. I have to go through the menu, put this, and I gotta mount it on the windshield mount right here. This is for the GPS right here, right there. So where it goes into the dash cam. My hand's dirty. I don't want to remove the screen protector yet. It says English. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh, it started recording already. I gotta peel out the screen protector in the front right there for it to record. But I'm gonna plug in to the wire on the rear right here. I got it mounted already going up to here. You can see running to the back. So this is for the rear. I'm gonna plug it in. You can see as soon as I plugged into the rear cam, you see a little screen right here showing the rear windshield right there. So right now I'm gonna mount on the windshield mount right here, right in the middle of the windshield, and then I'm gonna show you again. So there you go. You guys can see I mounted the dash cam already. Now right here you can see it says unlocked. So when you twist this to the side, it'll unlock to get it to sucked into the windshield. Now you can see this side says locked right there. When I lock it, it's gonna suck onto the windshield. That's good. Now you can see that's the front of my hood right there on the big screen right there. I'm like flash the high beam, you guys can see it right there. And then I'm gonna mount the rear windshield camera up on the windshield so that way you guys can see the memory card. It's already in here. So there you go, guys. So I mounted the rear dash cam already. You guys can see it's mounted on there already. I just have to tuck the wire in. So I just mount it right on the middle right there. You can adjust the camera to up and down where you want it to, how you want it to record. If you want to angle up a little bit, angle down, you can twist the camera. For this one, it's good. This one, there's an adjustable nut on the side right here. You can unscrew it. You can face this down or up, whatever you want. So right now, this one is recording in 1080p right now. The setting is 1080p. You can go through all the setting again, the date, the time, whatever you want to adjust it. So right now I have it on 1080, but it can record the 4K too. But this is really good image quality. The resolution is very clear. There's a lot of good review on this one, but that's it. That's how you install the dash cam on this one. You can see my high beam. So every time you turn on the car, the dash cam will automatically start recording. It's gonna take about like 5 seconds for the dash cam to turn on. So after you turn on the car, it's gonna take about 5 seconds for everything to load, and then it'll automatically start recording right there. You can see the time. And then on the side, whatever you want to adjust, you can adjust on the side right here. That's it. A little Powerpuff Girl right there. My girlfriend gave it to me. So that's it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. No, I'm out. Peace.